Hi, John McCain. This is Conan. Right now, his hobbies include getting high on catnip, and, well, that's pretty much it. But, John, when you say that we're going to spend 100 years in Iraq, and you become president, declare yourself dictator for life, and make baby Alex go to Iraq in your 5th term as president, did you also count on baby Conan going as well? Because if you did, you can't have him. And you'd also have to change the draft law to include cats. And he'll probably be dead by then. In which case you'd also have to change the law to include cat corpses into the draft. I really don't get that.